When in need of a glue line finish while producing less material waste, the LM75 thin kerf glue line rip blade is the solution for you. This blade has a high-density TiCo carbide with a TCG grind for precise cuts of material that can be sharpened up to 10 times. It comes equipped with Freud's anti-vibration technology that stabilizes the blade for clean, smooth cuts. Also has Freud's non-stick perma coating to protect the blade from pitch buildup and resist heat up to 2 times longer than standard blades. The thin kerf glue line rip blade is for woodworkers who need a blade that will produce less waste and great finishes with underpowered saws. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.